Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about an important feature in test automation, how to retry failed test in Behave. Sometimes test failed due to temporary issues like network delays, page load timing, or unstable environment. In this tutorial, I will explain why retry is useful and then show you step by step how to configure retries in Behave for your test scenarios. So let's begin. Create a new feature file. Right click on features and new and then click on file. Enter file name here rerun dot feature. First define here scenario feature demo rerun feature. Feature is demo rerun features and define scenario. Scenario is passing scenario passing scenario and given I have a passing step. Let's define an other scenario and other scenario is failed test scenario is failing scenario and then given I have a failing step. Now we have defined in feature file two scenarios. One is I have a passing step and the second one is failing scenario. We need to define step for these scenarios. So open step file. You do not need to create a new step file. We can define step in this file. So here you can view given I have a passing step at the rate given and then enter I have a passing step def step under score and context assert. We want to pass this test case. So here we enter assert true. Let's define another step for this failing scenario. Copy this one. Given I have a failing step at the rate given and I have a failing step, define step def step underscore I nil and context and assert false for fail this test case, enter false capital F and then we can run the test now. Let's first understand about this command behave f dash f help. You can get all the options by using this command. As you can view here, pretty progress and rerun. If you want to rerun the failed test cases, so you need to enter command here behave dash f rerun and then dash o for creating a new file which name is failed underscore features dot feature. This command is used for creating a new file which name is failed underscore features and it will write the failed scenario name inside this file. Let's run this scenario Test execution started. Open Chrome browser, maximize window, enter Selenium software. After searching, validate the page title Selenium. Now you can view for failed. You can implement step definitions. So we need to define here step. I have a failing step, remove spaces, and here one file have been created, and you can view features, rerun, and you can rerun this scenario by using command. Here we can view, you can implement step definitions for undefined step with this. I have a failing step. So we need to remove spaces in step file. We need to remove this spaces. Otherwise, we will get step definitions for undefined step. Now we can run the failed feature. You can view here feature, rerun feature 5, features 5 failing scenario. Enter command here, behave double quote at the rate, and then enter this file name, which is failed underscore feature, failed failed underscore feature, and then enter here extension, which is features dot feature. Now click on enter. It will first test execution started, because in environment file we define here, you can view in environment file we define default scenario. Open Chrome browser, as you can view here, test execution started. It means it will execute before all the test, and print test execution started. By using this command, you can rerun the failed scenario. So that's how you can implement retries for failed test in behave. This approach really help reduce false negative and make your test report much more reliable.